It started out as a job, but as I grew with the company, I've been with a lot of the same fellows for the last 35 plus years. As a position of a lead, I have about 10 people underneath me, but that just means that gives me an opportunity to work for them. My goal every day is to make sure that they're in a successful place, and so when they do good, I've done well.
I was taught everything I know here, and they took the time to do that. Metalworking Group gave me the opportunity to really advance and gave me the opportunity to move up from a Gen Fab position to a supervisor role at our Fairfield location.
My job is never really the same every morning. I'm always presented with ways to improve. Anyone who wants to learn and is willing to learn, there's more than enough knowledge here to be picked up.